Good morning students, welcome to your online computer class. In the previous class, we learned about requirements for an internet connection. What are the devices we need to take an internet connection. Okay, today we can see some other services or some other things, some other pages in internet. First we can see web page. What is web page? You all know web page, right? Everyone is using internet and you are already every time you are sitting in front of net, right? Okay, so you are all familiar with web page. What is web page? Web page is an information on internet is stored in the form of files. Whatever the information that is stored in the form of file is called web page. Okay, web page will contain informations in the form of text, images, audio or audios and videos. Any type of information that can be stored in the form of a file, that is called web page. Okay, then what is website? Website is a collection of all related web pages. All the related web pages we call that is site. Okay, website will represent the information about a particular person, particular business or an organization. I think you all know Microsoft, right? Okay, in your you just type www.microsoft.com. okay, then what will happen? You can see the Microsoft Corporation's site. There you can see about whatever the news is or whatever the information about the Microsoft Corporation you can see in their site. So there you can see lots of web pages. So the collection of web pages is called a website. Okay. Then next one is home page. What is home page? Home page is the first page or the main page of a website. When you open a site, if for example, when you open the Microsoft site, you can see a home page. You can see the first page. The first page is called home page. Okay. In that page, the basic information about the whole website will describe there. The link, some links are there. So when you click that link, it will relate it to another pages. Okay, another web pages. That is home page. Then next one is URL. What is URL? URL means Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, Uniform Resource Locator. You all know we can access a web page or website. That all stored in internet, right? We can access the web page and website from internet. So we can access the web page or website using, yes, they are using an address. We can locate only using the address. So we want to access, there are lots of websites are there in internet, right? Lots and lots of websites are available in internet. So we want to access one of them. So there we want to give a unique name. That is called Uniform Resource Locator. To access a website, we want to give a name. So that name should be unique. So the unique name is called Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. The address of a web page or a website is called a web address. What is web address? The address of a web page or a website is called web address. So to access the web address, we want to give a name, unique name. That unique name is called Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, the URL or the unique name, Uniform Resource Locator. So that address, that name we will type in the address box of the web browser. You all know the web browser. So in the web browser there is an address box. In that address box you should type the name, the unique name. Okay. Then next one is hyperlink. What? Hyperlink. I think you all familiar with hyperlink. In Word we can create hyperlink. Okay. So what is hyperlink? Hyperlink. What is hyperlink? Yes, hyperlink is a shortcut to another web pages. Okay. When you click the hyperlink, it will redirect to the another web page. It's a shortcut for another web page. Okay. The hyperlink will appear different colors or with underline. Text that will appear as with underline. Okay. So you can identify the hyperlink. Then when you move your mouse to the hyperlink, the mouse pointer will change to hand symbol. Okay, you can see when you move your mouse pointer to the hyperlink, you can see that mouse pointer will change to hand symbol. You can make a text as an hyperlink as well as an image as a hyperlink. Okay, then when you click the hyperlink, the related page will loads in your web browser. Okay, when you click the hyperlink, and another page will open in your web browser. Okay, so this for today's. So what once again we learn about web page, website, home page, URL, hyperlink. Okay, so kindly read the textbook, page number 112, 130 and 140. Okay, take care. Bye.